Good morning, all. I am Mr. Viraj Jadhav, working as Assistant Professor in MBA Department C Cyber Kolhapur. Welcome back for the second session on day 2 of online FDP on digital marketing techniques for business excellence. The second session is on building websites and blog. Before starting the session, I request all the participants to mute their mic and switch off the cameras. Now I request Amol sir to start with the session. Over to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Jadhav sir. Thank you. So, okay. So everyone is back in the meeting. I feel there is 94 people, but yes, we can start the meeting because we have few sessions left in from our previous slides. So we have understood or we have seen the importance of domain name, what is domain name and what kind of commercial value it has. But again, the rest of the part or the few second part is left behind, that is the hosting services. Okay, to understand what is basically hosting service. Okay, a web hosting service is a part which allows organization and individual to post a website or a web page into internet. Okay, so if we call it as a domain name or domain name as your home address, so we can call this hosting service as a home of your particular website. Okay, so the website can be called as a home. So wherever we host that particular home, we have to have pay the particular bill or particular liability. If we take a home in a rent, we have to pay the rent bills, or if we buy that house, we have to pay the municipal or local municipal taxes per year. So likewise as well, these hosting services are hosted by the different companies with different features, and you need to buy that hosting services to host your website. In name itself, it has tell you the basic meaning or the function of that particular service. Hosting means to host your website or the particular landing page on a computer core, and for them we call it as a servers. Okay, so to even make you understand in more detailed manner, I will make you go through with the one video. Okay, okay, so now we'll see how the hosting will work.
Hi, I'm Tony Manser from PickleWeb, and in this video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about web hosting. In this video, you have all the information you need to make an informed decision when you buy a hosting service. Sound like a plan? Great. Let's get started. Okay, so the basics. Hosting is the home of your website. If you want a website, you'll need somewhere to host it. That's exactly what web hosting is. Now, there are different types of hosting service. You've got shared hosting, reseller hosting, virtual private servers or VPS, and dedicated servers. But we're going to do shared hosting in this video because that's the most popular and affordable type of hosting. So hosting is basically a computer and a infrastructure. So how does it all work? Well, it all starts with a server, which is basically a powerful computer, which is stored in a highly secure, purpose-built, multi-million-pound facility called a data center. The data center provides the network and power connectivity with temperature control, backup systems, fire suppression, and high levels of physical security. Security is also important at the server level. So the servers are actually built with dual components for critical components, things like hard drives and power supply units. And the reason for this is to make sure that your website is available at all times. So when you order a hosting service, what you're actually purchasing is the physical disk space on the server, as well as the bandwidth, which is the network connection for the server. And you'll often see hosting advertised in terms of disk space and bandwidth. So you might see, for example, 5 gig 5 gigabytes of disk space and 100 gigabytes of bandwidth per month. So the disk space, that covers your website and all of your files, including key files, things like your emails. And the monthly bandwidth allowance, this is the amount of traffic that comes in and out of your website and your hosting space. So that will usually, most of it will be made up by email traffic in and out, but also things like people visiting your website and when you actually publish your website files. In order to manage your web hosting, you'll need access to a user-friendly interface called a control panel. One of the most popular control panels is called cPanel, and this allows you to manage key areas of your hosting, things like setting up email addresses, managing domains and forwarding, managing databases, that kind of thing. And this shields you basically from any of the sort of technical aspects of the hosting. If you want to build your own website, you can use a tool like Website Builder, which is included. And this basically allows non-technical users to build and maintain a website. And it uses templates, pre-made templates, so you just add your own text and images and then can publish it. For more advanced users, or maybe you've got a web designer, then there are more advanced tools and applications which are included for free. So you can sort of manage databases and also use other tools to build your website. And these kind of tools, these applications, these include popular content management systems like WordPress, as well as more advanced e-commerce tools like PrestaShop and Magento, so you can start selling online. Other security features are things like anti-spam software and data backup, and these ensure the integrity of your email and your data. If you're with one hosting company and you want to transfer to another hosting company, that's very straightforward. This is a process called migration. And basically, your files are copied from your current hosting to your new hosting service. There are just a couple of small changes that need to be made to your domains and name server settings for that process to be fully completed. Okay, so there you have it. That's your quick guide to web hosting. I hope you found that useful. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you can get updated whenever we have any new content for you. Also, please feel free to share it with your friends and also anyone who you know who's got.
Okay, so have you understood now what exactly this hosting is all about? Can I have a comment section? Comment chat. Yeah, I will definitely YouTube links. Don't worry, I will share each and every link to in my presentation. Okay. So just to merely make you understand, I will tell you. Yes, exactly. Provide space for the website. It's just like a providing space as well as for your home. Okay. So there are a couple of types of hosting services we offer. Okay. Yes, exactly. 24/7. So there are a couple of types of website hostings are available in the domain name or in the market. So one, now we'll go to the presentation so that you'll understand in more detailed manner. So what exactly this website, as he mentioned, he helps you to the upload the FTP files. Okay. Then email accounts, then website building tools, your website itself and your database. So these are the basic things website hosting helps you to go with this. Okay. Then the types of the hostings. One is the shared hosting. Second one is dedicated hosting, and third one is the VPS or the cloud hosting. So we can understand the basic difference of why these are the difference has been made. Okay. So these difference are nothing but we have made it just because as per the requirement. Okay. Because let's say example, when we go buy a particular house for yourself, will you go and buy the complete apartment or will you go and buy your only one complete house? On cost basis, yes, but if yeah, which one will you choose? Will you go with a complete apartment, let's say a 8-10 flat itself, or will you go buy only one block or one flat itself for you? What else do you think? Please suggest. One flat. Okay. Okay, I will building number. Okay, I will go. It's my question, Ashish sir, is will you go with only one flat, one floor, one flat, that's it? Okay, or a complete apartment? One flat, yeah. The same principle, yes, the same principle applies to your website. When you yourself have been, exactly, based on objective as well, you can definitely say so. But if in current situation or with the situation of with your own website, let's say we built a website, okay, or we wanted to build a website only for yourself, only a single website. Yes, for the amount of website space which you need, it can be catered with the shared hosting. Shared hosting means nothing but a hosting which is shared by all of you member, which is dedicated space given to each and every member in that particular hosting. So you can presume, or you can something ask with yourself, or you can understand like, yes, exactly LPG, yes, like PG, yes, exactly. So in this shared hosting, there are many people like you has been allocated the same space or that particular location or that particular server, which is placed to that particular location itself. Okay, yeah, and exactly. So this is called a shared hosting. And again, the one important point as well we have to mention, or we have to keep in mind, if your space is lagging or if your space is always getting fulfilled, your website or service provider will help you to immediate instruction that yes, now you are up to the space with the shared hosting, you have to go with the dedicated hosting. The likewise, the difference between dedicated hosting is nothing but your you yourself getting a dedicated block. It's just like using your dedicated own villa. Okay, so it just you have that particularly space or website space or disk space which is specifically located in your servers or in your particular category based locations, and you can use this category. Okay, so the reason behind shifting from shared to dedicated server is just because the data what you wanted to achieve, or the database as well as the these things which goes into the building. Have you guys remember what we have called or what we have seen yesterday? Like we have seen that whenever we build the website, we need the space or we need the database as well. So in the building a database, when people or that particular agency wanted to understand what exactly you want to build, because those questions, as we seen, we have to answer those all the questions that particularly hamper your costing when we selecting the hosting server, because on a basis of your requirement, on the basis of your data, we have to select the server, whether you have to go with the shared or we have to go with the dedicated servers. Okay, are you guys up to me up to this level? Yes. Okay. Okay. So can someone tell me the what would be the then VPS hosting? Not exactly abbreviation. I'm asking the logic behind it. Virtual dynamic, yes, in demand. On demand, but what do you understand? As we understand dedicated and your space with the shared one, in that prospect, any wild guess? For specific projects, could be anything more into that, not physically available. Okay, but can according to your needs. It is virtual, yes, it is virtual. Yes, it can, if we can combine between not Dilip Kumar, it's in between shared or dedicated. uh, it's a basically cloud, or we can call it as a virtual system. Okay, and it's a basically higher in the security form when it comes to the respective these two hostings like shared and dedicated. it's dedicatedly used for the higher specific domain purpose or product or services purpose, where you yourself are hosting or enjoying that particular space, or I may call it as a server location specific bound services. So these are the cloud based servicing such as VPS, like Amazon VPS. Okay, has anyone heard of Amazon VPS? Yes, a bit. Amazon also, yes, AWS, exactly, Mudassar sir. Exactly. AWS, Amazon is also selling the space, server space. To tell you, this is their actual business which they are catering. But this Amazon as a apparel or a product is a second line business, but their front line business is AWS to selling the space, because the more number of people will come on the internet, they need a space, and it's a recurring business. Once you buy that space, you have to take that space for the continuous purpose. Okay, so the likewise they will get earn, and you must have seen the more amount of accumulation of money they are earning in last couple of years. He is the richest billionaire or richest purchase person in the world. The reason behind is the earning of what we have recurred from this AWS or this hosting services. This is the one of their major source of income. Likewise there are many, but yes, for the starting ages, AWS is the main purpose. Okay, then what kind of hosting, a good hosting services will look like. Okay, and don't worry, I will show you the exact hosting server or exact hosting panel, how it look like. The basic is the SSD storage. Okay, then the Rocket Booster, I will explain each and everything in while showing you the panel, just to go through with the concept wise. Then the Rocket Booster, and it's encrypted. Okay, it's a Cloudflare CDN. Okay, spam expert, you don't get a spam. Web application firewall, malware and scan reports, daily backup. Yes, you need a daily backup of your service or a website, because it might get hacked at any point of time. Chat support, because this all company doesn't talk on a phone. Only company based in Indian or basically in web domain or internet domain specific, they don't talk, have that support system. They have support system only on mail or a chat, as well as the multiple server location. Okay, so I will explain you with the how the cPanel will look like. Okay, this is the control panel of one of our client. Okay, which we have recently purchased his hosting. Okay, so this is the dashboard of your hosting service. Okay, this hosting service named as a Fast Comet, which we promote or which we promote as a service, and which we use for own purpose as well as our client purpose. Okay, so whatever we have studied up to the level or up to the session, you will get to know what the things are interconnected with each other. Okay, as I have mentioned in the first session itself, the files or the basically the web portals or web property, what we need or what we need to create. So these are the files we created, or these are the files we help you to upload. Okay, then the images, if we really wanted to upload without getting into the web login, and you can upload it from server location as well, then you need this control panel. Okay, then the disk uses, here you can see the disk usage. Okay, on the right side of my screen you can see there is a 2.14 MB of disk usage out of 15 GB. Okay, and MySQL is the database, as we have seen in the first slide. The SQL is the database language. Okay, okay, Then coming back to our point of second, the rocket booster. Okay, the rocket booster is nothing but it helps you to fasten up load your website with the help of their feature, what they used to say, call it as a rocket booster. Okay, and these are the jet backups. Jet backups means they take the all of the backup of your database, your files, your DNS, your email as well. So even if you lost, or even if someone attacks your website or your email, you don't need to be worried. Your website files are safe. You can just log in here and you can take the backup and you can reinstall that website. Okay. Okay, then it's a encrypted. What does this mean, encrypted? Encrypted means it's the same as equal as your WhatsApp. That means a technology which is only available from first end to second end. Okay, that means you cannot, or third person cannot log in without your inquiry or without your intervention or without your permission. Best example is WhatsApp. WhatsApp is totally encrypted without even security agencies. Even, yeah, can you please turn off your feed? Someone is started sharing their yeah, please, thank you. Yeah, I was giving you example of the WhatsApp is total encrypted technology. Earlier, when like someone who is sending the message, let's say I'm sending message to Praveen sir, and Praveen sir is having the message in their phone, and this is all been captured by the total Play Store's account access, which is your Gmail account. Okay, so unless and until you have your permission, both parties, no other person or no other agency can check or view my message. But yes, it is just because earlier Facebook or other social agencies don't have the data centers or servers in India. That is the beauty, or that is the importance of servers. If you don't have a server location in your country or particular country which you're operating, that country can't access that data. So that's the reason, if it takes the example of India, our security agencies have requested government authorities to have access to a WhatsApp or a social media data centers. At least they have the data center here in India, or they allow us to access their data center, whatever the information we wanted to seek for. So then and then only you might have seen the WhatsApp have started introducing your advertisement as well as the other thing, and you must have seen your data has been hacked. It is just because they have allowed to use the data center to other person, but unless and until it was totally encrypted. Has anyone used the mobile phone of BlackBerry? Does anyone use the mobile phone of BlackBerry? Yes. Anyone else? Okay, okay, Ghazal ma'am. Okay, Pooja ma'am, you must have, yes, it's a long time back. So in the BlackBerry, there used to be a BBM, BlackBerry Messenger. BlackBerry Messenger, yes, right. Those, yes, okay, those who have not used, I'll just tell you, even if the user of the BlackBerry Messenger has forgot his own PIN or his own identification, he himself cannot trace, yeah, he himself cannot trace his own data. That is the total encrypted message. And it same goes with the Apple as well. Okay, so that the best security reason people used to use BlackBerry Messenger or BlackBerry phone, but due to this reason only they have stopped, or many of the international countries have not allowed to work or use this phone, because it's totally encrypted. A security reason, it can be threatened to as a country, because you cannot hack or you cannot access the data without the user information permission. Okay, so this is the most important part of your website, because it has to be protected well. Okay guys, you have understood up to this? Are you up to this? Can I have a comment, say a comment in chat box? Okay, Arpan sir. Okay, got it, Pooja ma'am. Okay, great consistency. Okay, now go with this next point, the Cloudflare CDN. Okay, what is mean by Cloudflare CDN? Okay, everyone must be using Google, right? Okay, now I just wanted to make understand what is the Cloudflare CDN. CDN is nothing but the content delivery network. So what it does, just I'll try to explain the concept. Content delivery network is basically is a portal or it's a service where it upholds your cache. That means it saves your basically cache files in their data center or in their network. So when we try to visit the repeated pages multiple times, okay, then instead of visiting the websites, because what happens when we request to visit a website, that request goes to the data center goes to matches that request to their IP address goes to their particular website. It takes a lot of time. So instead of wasting this time, that CDN allows you to save that pages, whatever we continuously visiting, and it saves that pages and show it to you. Okay, it shows actual page. So the best example is newspapers. Okay, you must have used newspaper websites online. Now when we close this session or end up this session, you visit the news section from your Google browser and you see very closely, you will redirect it with the CDN. Let me check. I will try to show you with the screen itself whether it is possible, or you can check. So I have typed current news in India. So here you can see India Today is coming up and I have clicked. So see while the search is performing, so here I think my internet is very fast. So it's a FTTH. So you might not be seen, but what you can do is just use your basically mobile phone and try to log in any, yes, definitely try to see or visit any newspaper page or news, whatever you wanted to scroll down after your Google in default browser. So once you click that particular link, you will see a large section over here, particular in domain section. Here you will see the CDN directing to the page. Likewise, information or basically you can get the message like here only in the crawler or in the browser section. Okay, and that helps you the CDNs to lower down the visiting pace or visiting your time, because in split second, if we take more than a 3 second, we hardly visit or we hardly wait for that page to load. We skip that page and we go to the next page. So that is the best use of CDN, and everyone who is having more larger website or more than 100 pages website, they usually take the help of CDN. So this is the company name Cloudflare, which dedicatedly supports the or gives you the CDN. And the next one is the Spam Expert. Okay, spam is the nothing but basically more of the websites where people will try to visit from the different parts of the country, but it always give you the increase your spam score as well. Because what happens when unnecessary people visit your website which are not relevant to your industry, but they just wanted to visit and just wanted to spam your website with the comments or anything just to understand. So in that case, this hosting will avoid them to visit your purposefully website if you take this help of this Spam Expert. And the next one is web application firewall. Everyone must have been heard of the firewall. Yes, okay. I'll do this PPT. Zoom it. Okay, so this is the web application firewall. Firewall is nothing but a basically additional layer of security to your web application. Web application means any of your website or your app. So what they do, they have their own internal firewall. So any hackers or anything wanted to malpractice or inject any different types of codes or any different type of viruses, this firewall of their hosting services or hosting providers will help you to protect to get hacked. That is the beauty. Okay, then the next point is malware scan and report. So the next thing is, if anyone wanted to hack your website, this malware or this firewall help you to understand what kind of malware. So malware is nothing but the antivirus or the viruses which try to hamper your websites or make down to your website. Okay, so the have you anyone look like how the website got malpractice or website got hacked with the Chinese description, Chinese message comes with the website? Have you seen any kind of website? No. Let me check if it possible. I can try to show you. So this is the image. You can see. The first one, the website I had contains malware. Okay, so your browser may not be trace that particular IP address or that particular domain level. So you have to visit your servers and you have to check whether your website has been malware or hacked by the hackers. Okay. Then the next one is daily backup. Yeah, this point is why it has been necessary. Let's say example, you have uploaded 10 services in yesterday and the next day only your website got hacked. Then what happens? Will you be able to do that uploading part, or will you be able to again have to your content has already been malware? So what will you do? So you don't need to be worried. Your auto backup or your daily backup system of this hosting servers help you to take the backup. You just need to go and access your file with the control panel and take the backup and then again upload it to your website. Then this one is the chat support. Yeah, as I've said earlier, these hosting services don't operate or don't work with the telephone support. They work on the chat support. So it helps you to understand, and they wanted to help you with the chat options and the multiple server location. So why the multiple server location is needed, I will tell you. So server location is needed. Yes, server location is needed just because your server location match to upload your website with the minimum speed. So let's take an example. You are hosting a website in India and your server locations is in US. So as I mentioned you earlier, what will happen, your servers or your web query first go to the server, hit to the server which is located in the US, and then come back to again in India, which is where your website or that your web domain is actually been targeted for the audience. So it's really not advisable or basically not guidable just to pre-check before checking or before hosting your service or before taking your hosting providers. Check whether their hosting servers are in India if you're really targeting in Indian audience. Okay, because it actually saves you a lot of time to upload your website. It is one of the reason you can save the time. It is not necessary, it can be hamper, but it is one of the reason your server location can hamper. Okay. Okay, so this is up to the my hosting server and domain level. Before moving ahead to the next presentation, do you have any questions regarding to the hosting so that I can answer for the questions? Please type your questions. No. So shall I move ahead to the next session? Okay, okay, great. Okay, great. Sure, sure. Okay, okay, please. Okay, great. So up to this presentation or up to this session, we have covered the previous presentations part of the lecture part, which is the domain name and hosting. Okay, but now it comes to your website as well as the website making or actual building a website. Okay, so currently before making a website, I want to those it has been not part of our syllabus, but I just want to take a few minutes of your part because I feel it is necessary. We'll first see how the branding will take care of it before building a website, how you can really create a free logo. Okay, so we can start the using that website. Okay. Yes, yes. Sir, there is no free hosting website as of such. You have to buy the website. You have to buy the hosting because it's their bread and butter. Okay, I hope you understand. Yeah. Okay. So first of all, we'll try to see how the branding will take care of it. It varies from your package, what exactly, but starting with 2,800 to 7,000 per year. Indian rupees, 2,800 to 7,000 per year. Okay. Yeah. So what will we do? We'll take it. I'll take you to the understanding for the basic of your branding of your website before making a website, because for a branding you need a logo, you need a your presentable or branding images or something related to your brand which you wanted to have with it. Okay. So are you guys able to see the screen? Yes, yes. Okay, okay. To tell you about this, this is a basically free designing tool. What we called it as the website URL is canva.com. CANVA. I'll mention this is in a chat box. Okay. And along with that, I will mention in the PPT as well. Don't worry. Okay. So this will help you to make the designing purpose, or basically it is dedicatedly used for the freelancer as well as the person who have just started to using this branding. Okay, you just need to sign up for this. I have already have an account, so I will log in with my account. Okay, so are you guys seeing this complete dashboard of this website tool? Okay, great, 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 great. So this is a nothing but yes. Okay, so a good to go website or good to go your hands to try this out. This is totally free. It comes along with a paid platform or paid subscription as well, but you can use a lot of times or many a times to use your design, or you can try out your hand skills to how to use this design. Okay, so I'll just take you through with the these tools. This helps you to understand to make this much type of images. You can make the use of social media images, Instagram stories, posts, Facebook posts, cover post, Twitter post, Pinterest. Then the personal invitation cards, resume, postcard, planner, t-shirts. If it comes to business, it helps you to business presentation, websites. In terms of website, they helps you to have a themes of the website. Then the logos, we'll see. We will make one logo if it possible within a short span of time. Okay, and the business card, invoices, proposal. Then the posters, flyers, infographic images, menus, and education likewise. Okay, so what we will do, we'll see a creator design and we'll ask him and search is the logo. Okay. You can even specifically ask them for what kind of logo, let's say cafe logo, band logo, what kind of logo you wanted to have with it. Okay, then the next slide or next exactly your this screen will come up. It will take you to the next slide. I will just understand in free purpose there is a free mention name is come up to there, and if it is premium you have to pay the price for the premium one. So we'll definitely use for the free one and we'll see how it can be done. Okay. So these are the available logos. What we can see, these are the templates. Okay. Then the uploaded files, if you have any uploaded predefined templates or predefined images with you, you can upload this. Okay. These are my few predefined uploaded images. Then the photos. Okay. These are the trending photos. If I type here in logo, you can see the free logo photos. These are the free logos. Okay. And here this crown size is, you can see this is the pro. You can say you can get this image with just paying with the $1. So this is how their business model works. They offer you free services and they'll make you up to work for the free. And if you need any premium images, you have to buy it. Okay. So likewise. Okay. So these, what we can see, we can use this logo, let's say a Starbucks. Okay. Now I have used this, and then let's see if we can add the element as well. Okay, here are the elements. It's a free. I will add this element. Okay. And text as well. Okay. So I will type bundle of happiness. So you can use the different color as well. I'll use this color. Okay. And I'll try to move this upward. Okay. Bundle of happiness. Okay, let's make it bold. Okay, or increase the font size as well. Let's say 28, or make it a little bit smaller. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Cool. Okay, then we have the style as well. Okay, here are the styles pattern you can choose for it. Okay, then different style patterns. Then you can add the video as well, a small kind of video if you wanted to add with it. It's our free videos are available also, you can make a use of it. Okay, then we have the background. Okay, not what I will do, I'll use the background. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, let's try a few other one. This one. Okay, no, it doesn't go. Okay, yeah, so you can try different text and color. I'm not that much perfect as a designer, but I was trying to understand or make you understand how you can design a logo. The more you use this template or the more you use this file, you will definitely understand what exactly it is. Okay, and here you can add the animation, you can add the effect, you can add the filter. Okay, These are the effects. Okay, you can add the animation in also. Okay, then adjustment, and you can do the cropping. Okay, and afterwards you have to download this. If you feel this is the good to go, then you can download your work. Okay, but while downloading, you will get to download the free subscription. You will get to download only limited options. But for the paid, if you take the paid one, I think it's a $10 per month recurring. You can get the good amount of recurring. And without, if you paid for the paid one, you will don't get the transparent background. Okay, it's a paid. As you can see, the crown is there, and compress the file size, the lower quality size as well. You can get the here now. What you can get? You can get the actual size. Okay, I'll be downloading my design. So this is how I have downloaded my design, and let's see. Let's save it to the desktop. Okay, got it. Okay. Yes. Now I was not reading this right. Okay, let me go one by. There are free some images sources is showing as an example. Yes. Can we use a poster mail? Let me go one by one. Can we use postermall.com for design on website? Yes, you can use any of the website unless and until it is free. But make sure when you are using the free, you don't have any trademark or issues, because I will suggest, even if you are using the free version, yes, copyright. Even if you're using the free version, try to add some your own inputs. Let's say if you're using your free images, add it in Canva, make some little bit changes, and reshape it or redesign it in your own way. Okay, because you never know if you get caught for that particular copyright issue, and you have to pay the liable price for the someone who is actually owning that images. Okay, and the same goes with you as well. If you're buying the premium image, you can add the watermark, or you can ask the copyright. And if undoubtedly if someone uses your image as well, you can ask them to pay you some royalty as well. So this is the importance of using the free images as well as the copyright images. Yes, free images are available, but you have to use very cautiously. Copyright is must. Yes, definitely, ma'am. If it is commercial one, if you are really putting your money, hardcore money and time, you need to use the copyright. And I would suggest buy some premium images. Okay, there are many sites, like I will share the link here. Pixabay.com, okay, or Freepik. Okay, these are the 2-3 websites where you can buy the premium images. Okay, and if you're really putting up your efforts to building your website, I would recommend you to buy a few thousand, a few $100. Okay, it merely add $2, $3, max $5, or max $10. Even if you can $10, it's hardly have 700 rupees. Yes, exactly. Yeah, there are many other few premium images as well. So yes, you can buy over it there as well. Okay, so now you understood what is the importance of images, what is the importance of your logo. I have shown you how you can make a free logo with the help of yourself only. You don't need to have a designer, but yes, designer have its own positive pros and cons, but you can make your use of your own logo. Now I will show you how you can start making a website itself without any hosting. Okay, without any hosting, and by right now and by this moment itself, you can have starting your website. Okay, I will show you a free website hosting panel, of free website version, which we called it as a blogger.com. Has anyone heard of the blogger.com or blogspot.com? Please comment in chat box. No. Yes. Okay, Blogger, you heard it. Okay. You have a blog, Ganesh sir. Okay, great. My next question was I was about to ask, how many of you have a blog? Okay, Arpan sir have a blog. Okay, okay. Don't have. Okay, no problem. Even if you don't have, I will show you right now how you can start with your blog. Okay, it's treat you as a website itself. Okay, no blog, no worries. Okay, fair enough, faculty. I understood. Okay, now I will take you to the screen and I will make you understand how the blogspot or how the, oh, great, educrawl blogspot.com. Exactly, great, Dhruv sir. Okay. For those who don't have a blogspot or don't have a blog, I will let you know, or I will try to show you how blogs can be created. Okay. First, you need to go to the bloggers.com. Okay. I will tell you what Blogger is all about. Blogger is nothing but a free blogging website. Okay, you can read the description. Basically, it is a product which is created by basically Google. Okay, to promoting the blogging, because ultimately when people will write the more of content, Google will get more of the traffic to read that content, and they will have the more people to show up the advertisements. Okay, so it can be simply accessed with your Gmail account. Okay, you can log in here, click the bloggers.com. Now you can see the screen. Okay, you can screen the screen. Okay, simply you need to sign. Here you can create your blog just by clicking with 5 to 6 clicks only. Okay, now you have to click here with the signing. I will sign my own Gmail account. You can sign with your own account itself. Okay, with the only Gmail account you need. If you don't have a Gmail account, I would request you to please create one new one. Okay, so these are my few blocks. What I will do, you can come up with the screen like this when you signed up. Okay, this is the name of blog which I already have, and these are the left things. If you see, these are the stats, these are the comments, earning. I will show you and I will let you know what are the things one by one, but let's create a one blog itself to show you how it can be done. Okay, so I will go with this, because in your section you don't get like these many blogs because you don't have a blog. So you will get this screen, a new blog. Click here. This title means your name of your blog. Okay, you can choose any name. Those who don't have a website, those who don't have a blog, they can choose your name itself. Any. Okay, any name, whichever you want to feed, or whichever you, as we have discussed, how the domain name or how the name of your website should be. Okay, as per your convenience, you can create it. I will create my name itself, Amol Tolbande. Okay, so this is my name of my blog. I will click here the next. My address will be the same. I wanted to here amol.tolbande. I've just added the dot. This blog address is not valid or not supported, so I'll see what can be done. I added 2020. Again, let me check. So now you can see, now he allow me to see, not after deleting the ad. Let me check whether it can be available. Yes, you cannot add that basically .com or anything. It can be continuous. So Amol Tolbande, my address will be amoltolbande.blogspot.com. Okay, I will click it as a saved. Okay, so that's it. Within a 3 click, you have created your first blog. Okay, this is the free version. Okay, have you, Yes, yes, it can be changed anytime, but I would request not to change it because people will start understanding your website by your name. Okay, within just 3-4 clicks you can start, and this is your assignment to come up with your blog spot or what come up with your website or blog by today itself. Because your website, you might give me a reason you need a website to have a, yeah, I'll definitely show it to again. I will create one more things, just have a look at. Okay, but for blogspot you don't need a money to have a domain, purchase the domain, neither you need a hosting services to buy it. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll create one more. Go here, just be cautious or see once again. Whenever you create or log in with your email address, you don't see anything as of such. Just you will see, just concentrate on my cursor where I've been put it. You will see that only the cursor like a new blog in your domain because you don't have a blog itself. So you just need to create or click that blog. So then understand there is a difference between title and your blog name. Title could be anything. Okay, I would say, let's say a cooking. I will create a cooking as a title. Okay, and my blog name could be food review. Let me check. This is not available because someone might have taken already. Food review. I will add my name. Okay, this is available. Amol food review. Okay, so my blog web address, or you can say the domain name, will be amolfoodreview.blogspot.com. Okay, this is it. Save. Okay, my blog is created. Okay, have you guys understood? Yes, definitely. I will show you. I will show each, and I will explain what is the purpose, what is the use, how you can create it. Just be with me. I will show how the page can be created, how the post can be created, and definitely come to the your purpose of it. Okay. Now we have created the page. Now what I will do, I will go with the cooking one. Okay. So in the cooking, I will create a one post. Okay, here you can see the how the post can be created. You can see the title. Okay, I will create one post, best cooking dish 2020. Okay, this is my title. Okay, now what I will do, I will copy. Don't copy like me what I'm doing. I'm just showing it just for sake of showing. You have to create it, this content. You have to write this content. Okay, I'll blindly go with this website. Okay, just to show you how it can be created. Okay, Indian cuisine, view recipe, let's say. Okay, you got here all the kind of recipes. Okay, this is slow cooker chicken masman curry. Okay, I'll copy this dish name. I'll okay, give it here. Okay, this is my title. Okay, now I will copy the recipe as well. No thanks, I don't need it. Okay, you can copy stepwise. Okay, per serving as well. Okay, copy it and paste it. So this is my post. Okay, this is the content I have created just to sake of information or just to show you how content can be created. Okay, now I will show you what are the things you need to create, or what are the each and every element you can add it. Okay, so here you can see the undo button. If you really don't want to add or you don't want to delete it, you can just click here. All the information of all the things, whatever be clear, it will be undo. Okay, got it? Again I paste it. Okay, then the opposite of it, and here I can change the font type as well. I want to change the font type. Okay, it can be Georgia. Okay, I've changed it to Georgia. Okay, then I can change the header or heading, subheading, paragraph wise, the same thing. Okay, then you can make it bold. Okay, now you can underline it some. You can strike out, or you can take the text color. Okay, I'll add the text color of this. I will add this color will go. Okay, so see, color has been changed. Okay, now I wanted to add the link of the website. Okay, as you can see, there must be a link of website. No, but I want to add the website link. Or I can add it to more info. Please visit. Okay, this one. Okay, let's say this URL, if I wanted to add somewhere in the description, or maybe somewhere in the website, or maybe any of the text. So what I can do, this is the hyperlink button. So you can create a website name itself. If I wanted to add it here only. Okay, this may not be the good option, but I'm just showing it for. This is the text. Okay, and I can paste it here. You can add open link in new window and no follow. Okay, yes, done. So what happened when someone comes to your website or comes to your blog or your this page? If he visited or if he clicks here, he will directly come to the next page. Okay, we'll see again. Then we can add the images. We can upload it from computer, or you can do it just by the blogging itself, or add the URL. Same again goes with the video. Okay, then these are the smileys. You can insert it to make your content more appealing. Okay, now if says likewise, these are the more extended options of the buttons or like editing options. Okay, so once you finish with this option, you have to label it. Label means you have to create the page. In Blogger, in normal website, there are the categories of pages. In the Blogger or in a Blogspot, there are the labels. So what I'll do, I'll create a label as a dish 2020. So what you can do, or what you can use of it, whatever the 2020 dish you wanted to add in this category or in this label will come under this category. Okay, so the next one be the timing and published date it will have. Then the permalink will be the how the link you wanted to add. The link of normal my website will be http://amolfoodreview.blogspot.com 2020-09 best cooking dish 2020 so slow cooker. This will be my link. But if I want to add the permalink, this is it. That's it. Okay, I can edit it. Okay, I can add dash You can see the changes here. Dish 2020. Got it? You see the change after .com. Have you seen the change? I will remove once again. See. They will add again Dish 2020. Okay. This is how you can make the custom link. Location. You can add the location. Location will be Pune, India. Okay. If you wanted to add, if you don't want to add, you cannot. You don't need to add. I think it's not taking. Okay. Then the option. Okay. Here you have the options whether you wanted to add the allow comments or do not comment or something like that. Okay. So this is it. Okay. Then you can preview your post, like we have to preview it. This will look like this. Okay. So then I've decided to publish it. Confirm. He asked you to confirm. That's it. My first blog has been published. Have you seen it? It's very simple. You can start doing by now itself without any intervention, as we have shown you by step, and whatever may be your industry, whatever may be your niche, whatever may be your field, you can start sharing the yes, exactly. Okay, you can start doing it by now itself. Now the question, do you have any questions pertaining to this? Yes, everyone can read, everyone can read. Yes, yes, definitely. Yes, you can add the study material unless and until it is easy or shareable to everyone. Yes, you can add to the, yes, I'll definitely add to the PPT. Don't worry about it. Yes, I will share it. I will show it to you. I will show it to you. The more, yes, exactly. Yes, let's see the Bhaskaran sir's blog. Okay. His profile. You have just created profile. You can see. Okay. Likewise, you can add the comment section. You can add. He doesn't have any post. Okay. Likewise. Ma'am, Rahul, sir, to make it more visible, you have to do the changes as I've shown you. The more content, make the content more UI UX friendly. Add the images. Add the try to see the different formats of the content. Likewise, the more experimentation you do, you can see the more things are visible. Okay. Now you wanted to share. Okay. Here is the share button. You can see. Have you seen? It's sorry, it's a share review button, review option. Now this is the option shareable, where you can share it for the others people, or else you can do a simple things. You just go copy your URL link and share it with your social media. Okay. Okay, publish it, no issues. You can do it by, yeah, you can shorten the link. Definitely there are many options. You can bit.ly You can use the shorten link options or you can bitly options. Yes, yes, definitely, definitely. Okay. Now, yes, exactly. Now the assignment of you of faculty will be for tomorrow, because please, my humble request is to please create your blogspot by today itself, because from tomorrow onwards you will be using that your blogspot and do the experiment of whatever you learn on your website or your blog itself, because you will be the more you do the experimentation, the more you will learn, and you will ask the questions, which will be really helpful for you. Yes, it can be anything. Digital doctor as Patil, Ashish, Botspot. No, no, no. There is no problem, Vinita ma'am. You can share it like as it is, a naked link as well. Okay. Now I will take you understand more functions or what is the use of this blogspot or what is the use of this website. Okay, bloggers. Okay, so now please have a look with this dashboard. This is actual real website which I'm showing to you. Okay, so this website is of mine, me and my friends website. This is actually blogspot or blogger website. Okay, if you really visit this blog, this is the blog, how it looks like as a website. Okay, this is the blog or website which help us to earn the money as well. Okay, now you are seeing the ads here itself. With the help of ads, Google help you to generate the revenue. Okay, so these are the current articles which we are dedicatedly posted on our blogs or our website with the help of Blogger itself. It's a free website. It's a free panel. We have not invested anything apart from the domain. Instead of domain like www.uptu.blogspot.com, we have taken a simple domain, UPTU News. Okay, so this is the website or this is the domain. You can this is the thing which you can start. But to start itself yourself, I would request or I would suggest to start with your normal name and try to see that domain will be available around the corner or down the line if you really interested to make it or take this study a further process. Okay, sure. Now I will make you or take you through the this insider of our website or the blog and understand what each and every post or what each and every this atom of all this about. Okay, so this is, if we talk about, if there are multiple posts, if we click on this post, you will see the number of posts as well. You can see here here are more than 1,000 posts we have published over a couple of years. This is not a 1 year website. This is more website which created in 2014. Okay, there are more than 1,000 posts. 1,000 specifically talk about 1,152 posts up to date we have posted. Okay, and if you click on the stats, you can see the stats of the website all the time, how much stats we have created, how much the today, how much you have created, how much the people have visited yesterday, how much this month, how much people have visited likewise. So see how the trend is picking up. Okay, now you can see the people, how many people have visited. You can get this website of this website as last month. You can see there are 3,100 almost 3.15k people have visited from the websites. Okay, and out of which blogs we have people have visited. Okay, these are the blogs have created of the people who have visited our website. Okay, Then the next question or next point is your comment section. How many people have commented? You can reply back to them as well. Okay. So people have commented me, I have completed mechanical, now I want to admission BTech, any lateral entry, is it possible? Give me reply. People have started commenting, but we have not replied to them back. Okay, or our team has not commented. Okay. Then the earnings. Okay, I hope this will not, I would want, if you don't mind, I would not wanted to share, but just to give you a brief idea, yes, if you can earn a decent amount of livelihood with the help of a single website like this. And just to, if you understand to ballpark figure, it helps you to understand somewhere around $1,000 to $2,000 USD per month as a recurring revenue from a Google AdSense. Okay. Google AdSense ads which are shown on our website, which if someone clicks on that ads, I will get a few amount of that ads revenue from the Google, because it's a Google platform. Okay. Yes, per click. Yes, exactly. Like, so these are the pages. Let's say these are the pages what we have created. These simple 4 pages: privacy policy, contact, UP, and about us. Okay, and this is the layout of website: headers, footer, something like this. Okay, and the theme, here you can change the theme as well. Here multiple theme options you have. Okay, likewise, as per your industry or as per your domain, you can choose the any theme whatever you like, so it will give the good appearance to your blog. Okay, then the setting. So here is the nothing but the basically settings, the name, description, or your Google AdSense code. Okay, and HTTPS form of things, a simple basic, how much per post you wanted to show, comment whether you want to connect, how much the things, timing, something like a more detailed kind of manners. Okay, so this is it. Yes, it's directly in our account, ma'am. Yes, Uma ma'am. Is there any questions apart from creating a website on a blog on bloggers.com or blogspot.com? Up to this, you can ask me the questions. Not custom URL. I have purchased the particular domain. If you see, this is my domain name, ma'am, of a website. Domain name is I have purchased, but I made the website on a Blogger. Yes, you can upload the PDF file. Yes, definitely you can add, but I would recommend is to make it separate entity. Ma'am, Google, it depends on the policy itself. It varies from person to person and niche to niche. But somewhere around at least good sense of amount, let's say if you have few thousand visitors to your blog per month, around 4,000 to 5,000, you can apply for the AdSense. Yes, blog through affiliate marketing as well. Yes, you can make a promotion blog of promotions of your college as well. Any questions? Thank you, Anis sir. Which is best blog site? I would recommend to start with the blogspot.com. Okay. Yes, title has to be different because title is something which people will try to connect with it. I will share you the hosting details as well at the end of the session, what I have shared, and I have something to offer you, something great, unique offer. Don't worry. Blogger is totally free. Blogger is free, so that's the reason I've said please start today itself. By tomorrow, by today end itself, you should have your blog. It's a merely 5 clicks away. You have to start with your blog. You're merely 5 clicks away. And if you're serious about it and if you find worthful, then you can purchase your domain, then you can invest in a hosting. Yeah, you will definitely have the PPT as well and video. Don't worry about it. Okay. So I would, yeah. Yeah, I have purchased the domain just because I wanted to start with my domain. But if you wanted to start with your things, you don't need to start. You don't need to purchase. Yes, 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 definitely. I will share. I will share.
Okay, any questions? Any more questions? Participants, you can ask in the comment box. I think, sir,
Yes, I think we can conclude
the
it.
session was so beautiful. So there are no many questions, and really it was a very good session regarding
Yeah,
website building and blog writing. Very informative
sure,
session. So thank you so much, sir, for this
sure.
session. And I declare that the second session, afternoon session, is over. Now
Yeah,
there will be a lunch break of 1 hour, and we will meet at 2:15.
250. Yes,
Okay.
exactly. Yes,
So link is
yes.
already shared on the WhatsApp group and email IDs. So you have to click on the third link. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.